Okay, so today, this is for anybody who doesn't understand subtracting integers. For those of you who are not joining us via Zoom, which I would love to have you on our Zoom meetings, because then I wouldn't have to do this twice. Okay, so what you're going to need out today is a magic wand. And your magic wand is simply a different color pen, pencil, marker, crayon. So we are going to subtract integers today. Except for I cannot spell this morning. Surprise! Like anything has changed. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, subtracting integers. Alright, so what you need out is you need your rules for addition. Because we hate to subtract, so don't. I'm giving you permission not to subtract. What you need, I call it your magic wand. So you just need a different color out. It doesn't matter what color. And you just need to be able to understand the rule. It's very quick. Okay, so subtracting integers, we hate to subtract, so we're going to add. So for example, well, let me give you the rule first, okay? The rule is, I'm going to just give it to you, believe it or not. The rule is to add the opposite. Because we hate to subtract, so don't. You're going to add. So you're going to add the opposite, then do the addition rules that we already learned. Additions. Addition rules. You guys. Sorry. Haven't changed. Same thing. Still messing up. Okay. So that's the rule. You're going to add the opposite, then follow the addition rules. Then do the addition rules. Okay? Okay. So let me give you a problem so you understand this. Alright, so let's say I have -3 minus 6. Now, very often they're going to put this 6 in parentheses. Doesn't matter. It's up to you what you want to do. And then you need out a different color pen, pencil, marker, crayon. I'm going to use this one, pink. This is going to be my magic wand for this lesson. Okay? So the rule is add the opposite. So what does that mean? Well, to simplify this a little bit to something else that you might understand, because remember when we did dividing fractions, we did keep, change, flip. Well, it's the same thing here, except for there's nothing to flip. This one is keep, change, change. So instead of keep, change, flip, it's keep, change, change, which is add the opposite. So let me show you. So you don't touch that first number, just like in dividing fractions. You never touch the first number. You change this. We hate to subtract, so don't. Get your magic wand and boom, add. Boom! Right? Not a problem. You're just changing that. But in order to change that, you've also got to change this. So we add the opposite. What's the opposite of 6? Oh, -6. Boom. Now, follow the addition rules. Do the addition rules. So these are same signs. So same signs, add. So we simply add this. What's 3 plus 6? 9. They're both negative, so it's a -9. Because we've got 3 negatives here, and we've got 6 negatives here. You add them up, and you get 9 negatives. Is this hard? Not at all, right? Okay, let's try another one. Okay, put your magic wand down. Copy this problem, because you want your magic wand to stay the same color every single time. So, and you have to understand it's add the opposite, and then follow the addition rules. Keep, change, change. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to use the same numbers so you guys can see how it changes. So I'm going to say, okay, -3 minus negative 6. Last time it was a positive 6 we started out with. This time we're going to start out with a negative 6. So let's see how that changes the answer. All right, now get your magic wand. Boom. We hate to subtract, so don't. We keep, change, change, or add the opposite. What's the opposite of negative 6? Positive 6. Boom. So we change this, we change that. Now we simply follow the addition rules. So the signs are different. Different signs subtract. So what's 6 minus 3? 3. And is it going to be a positive 3 or a negative 3? Well, we have 3 negatives here, and we have 6 positives here. So if we circle our 0 pairs, what do we have left over? 3 positives. So your answer is positive 3. Okay? Just to refresh, just to remember your addition rules, and flip back in your math journal, because you got your notes in your math journal, or you should. If you don't, that's a problem. Okay? All right, let's try another one. Same numbers, so this time I'm going to have this one be a positive 3. Oh, look, I didn't put my magic wand down. Put your magic wand down, because your magic wand needs to stay the same color. So positive 3 minus 6. All right, get your magic wand. So keep, change, change. We're going to add the opposite. That's a positive 6. What's the opposite of positive 6? Negative 6. Boom. Okay? So signs are different. Different signs subtract, right? So 6 minus 3 is 3. And then there's 3 positives here, and there's 6 negatives here. Who has more? This has more, so this is going to be a negative 3. Or, if you're more comfortable and you want to circle your 0 pairs, it's fine. Circle your 0 pairs, and you'll see what you have left over. Okay? Any questions so far? I don't know. If you have questions, meet me tomorrow on Thursday at 2 o'clock. So we can chat, or we have science today, so you can chat then. All right, one more problem, because those of you that have been Zooming with me, you already know this. So, all right, so I'm going to make this a positive 3 still, minus a negative. Oh, I did it again. Man, if we were in the classroom, you guys would be calling me on this, and I'd have to be throwing homework passes at you. All right. Well, I'm going to change. Let me go back over this here, because we got to put our magic wand down. All right, now pick your magic wand up. So we're going to keep, we're going to change, and we're going to change. Keep that. Change that. Bam. What's the opposite of negative 6? Positive 6. Bam. So signs are the same, positive 3, positive 6, so we add. 3 plus 6 is 9. So let's take a look at those 4 problems. Same numbers, just switching the negatives and the positives to different locations. Interesting, right? Your answer is either 9 or 3. Okay? So look at why they're 9, because the signs are the same, so you add. Look at why they're 3, signs are different, so you subtract. So these two are going to subtract, because the signs are different, and these two you're going to add, because the signs are the same. Okay? And once again, we've got 3 positives here, and 6 positives here. That's why we've got 9 positives. Okay? So just a quick lesson. I don't want to waste your guys' time because most of you have already done this with me. If you have any questions, you can talk to me today if you need to during science. That's a little bit harder, so probably Thursday. Yeah, Thursday's our math day. So if you have any questions, ask me Thursday. All right, we'll see you guys this afternoon for science.